I'm going to do here is two tables, but they say using field from both tables. So I'm going to my create. I'm going to my query with query design is too fine, simple query. Then after simple query, I'm just going to choose the first, which is the platforms table. Select all the fields, then the table, select, go on to next, up to the end. So this is just a symbol which is just combining both tables. Alright, so now need to deal with filtering. So something to take note is the number of records. I have about 409. They're saying select the records where genre is action or adventure. So this criteria is okay as it to copy this. Then I go on to my so we need genre. So it is genre. So general, call this range be somewhere on this rank. So this is genre, and the genre action adventure. Not able to copy because it is so you just need to type. So right, so in our design we have to search for the genre field, which is here. Control V. So this is what or adventure. You find that records have decreased. They are now 95. I go on to my genre and only action, nothing else. That's fine. Next one, rank is 200 or less. 200 or less means less than or equal to 200. So rank, go to design view. So on our rank, the criteria which is simply less than sign 100. So you can 100. One mistake that is really start with the equal sign. So you're not supposed to start with the equal sign. The less than sign, then 200. If they say greater than, you say greater than sign, then 200. Then you should be ready. So from 95 we go, so that's fine. So that's to do. Contains a new field calculated around time. This field will display the new line after discount has been applied. Use size multiplied by 25 and divided by 100. From this field to the thing to do here has to come up with a new field, the name of the field, just like that time. So the calc field should come right, and this is where you put. I'm just going to enlarge here so that the formula will be visible. So you start, then you need to put a full column. You play the new price after 5% been applied in it. So use price. So simple. So we're going to use the price to type price. Note of spellings. Multiplying by 5 over is simply 0.95. So that's it. So my formula is, this is my calculated field. Price 0. Then I'm going to run done on the price. So this is the discount. So this is the discount price is to be less. All right, 95% less. Now to make sure that this is displayed in currency. So this field displayed in currency. So my right click, design view, go back to where I've calculated, just try right. It is. So that is. So make sure you've done your right click on field calculated field. So I format to currency. And currency normally to decimal places. They do not find, they just say currency decimal places. So that's it. I did that on this field. So let me back to mine. Let me run. So after that, I can check now. I can see my price is in currency and in 2 decimal places. Discount price. Just as simple as that. So let me check again. So once we see the way it shows only, that way the actual report is starting. So the query, so I'm just closing it and to allow me to save. So I have query. So I didn't give it the name. So the name that is given to query is simply N2302 platforms. So repeat is that, or you could just have query number 2. So that's fine. Let's do, we need to do a report. So now create report. This time we are using that query, and this time we are following what you're asked to do. Title, rank, genre, game title. Where is the field? Yes. The other fields are console, release year, console name, release year, console, release name, release year. Then now the next is what price and discount price. So I need to find price and discount. Take note, discount price is calculated field. In the exam, most students will be struggling and will be saying this field was the exam. You're asked to calculate that field, calculated field. So go on to next to be done, and we need to maintain the order. So being to be done. Sorting, we're not going to do it, we'll sort it later. Then we need to check orientation is landscape. So click the title and the title. This is the title. Copy it. Then I'm going to paste. Report is always given title control. But finally, the report is here. So with my report out, this take note of the layout view. Right click layout and make sure that all the fields are visible. So I'll start with working on genre. So click on the title, click on 1 value, then reduce the size, and then shift to bit. Then go on to ink, increase it a little bit, then yes. So I think these two fields need to be put because this has got a longer name, to increase it so that everything is shown, nothing will be cut. So that's simple now. Alright, so in console, what we do is it move. So click on the name, the field name, click on value, and release is full. It's as simple as that. Here it's the same. So out, so price that, so reduce price a little bit, put to the left, then go into discount price, increase the bit. I think all are visible, so everything will be. Now let's go on to we've done, take note, we haven't done the sorting, we need to do sorting a bit. So calculate the earliest release and place below release year. So we need to calculate the early release year. So this is the minimum value that you to use. If they've said latest, we could have used the max formula. It's fine. So we need it under release year. It's fine. To do here, so go on to release year. Don't click on the title. Click on one of the values. Then click go. So under this, you find this total. So click on the down arrow. Choose the minimum. So these are the only functions that are asked. So click on them. So you miscalculate, but you need to scroll. So the minimum release here is that one, 1991. So that's fine. So after finding, I'm going to do now. They're saying label earliest game release left of this value. So I'm copying it left of the value. So I'm simply going to right click. Design, go to the design view of the report. My calculation is here, so this is my calculation that has been done, the minimum calculation. So that's the formula calculation of minimum. So minimum release here, but we used to put a value next to this formula. My design again, I use a label. So click the label, then I need to draw a rectangle. So after drawing a rectangle, I'm just going to do Control V and put that. So now if I go back, go on to my print preview, I should be that. So you can see this earliest release here, which is what 1991. So that's fine. So I'm going back to my question off now. Here's your name, center number, candidate number, in the footer of the report as it appears on every page. So the mistake with most students is they find view of the report and they put report footer. So that's a mistake. If you put something on the report footer, it will appear on the last page of your report. So my advice is for you to remove this page number on the footer, because they did not ask us for page number, they did not ask us for date. So I'm just going to click on A. So this is the law. So I'm going to draw a rectangle again. Then I'm going to type your name, send the number, your candidate number, like that. Then you right click again, print preview. So before printing the report, it's wiser to preview. So you find this is page 1, your name should be showing. This is page 2, your name should be showing. So what is only shown on this page of the report operation? Take note of that. Alright, so that we are left with, I'm going to design view again. Note we said to the sorting in the wizard. So sort now. So the reason why we don't sort wizard is because if you sort using genre, this genre will now be the first and the order is distorted, whereas they require you to maintain the order. So I'm going to design view. I'm going to sort descend using genre. So click on the group and sort. So you can see sort here. So I'm going to look for genre. Then I'm going to use descending order, which is Z on top. Let me go and check descending order, then ascending order of rank. Now if I go on add another sort, now a sort requires me to rank. So rank ascending order, which is A to Z. So that's what is expected there, and your report is done. So right click, print preview, you are good to go. So when you're done, you just do a print. So this report 2 pages, so you're assembling to click hit the print in the and your report will be done. And take note, a report will never be 5 or more pages. So normally the standard number of pages for a report. So normally 2, 3 pages, maybe. If you see your report going to 10 pages, 12 pages, 20 pages, then you should know that you did not do your query properly.